Greetings from the home of Lexus in Japan. I'm Koichi Suga, General Manager of Lexus Design. Today, as a part of the Lexus Create series, I want to take this opportunity to help teach you something that I love to do, sketching cars. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step instruction on how to sketch the Lexus LC 500. But before we begin, please be sure to download the guide that I created for you. You will also need your sketching pencil and eraser. Now let's get started. So start from the drawing the tire. So you have two indications, the center of the wheel. So please make it vertical and horizontal line, this. So, and then this is the ground line like a line. So please make it the circle to touch the ground line, like this. And then after that, this the point, front and rear. This is an indication of the bottom of the car. So almost please connect the two points front to the rear like this. And then this is you have another point left of the box. So please make it horizontal line like this. And then above the top of this point, please make it a vertical line. So this is the position of the bonnet hood end. So from here, this is the start point of the spindle wheel. So please connect here. And then this is also start from the front window point. So please front window connect this point. And then this is the roof line here to here. So this is the roof. And then please go into down. This is the trunk end height. So this is the back window. So now you have the very smooth LC center silhouette like this. And then after that, this is the front bumper. And then this is the rear bumper shape. Also, this is the peak point for the rear silhouette. So please draw like this. So this is almost center silhouette of the LC. So let's start from the main feature of this line is axis for the whole body line. So this is the rear fender. So front fender, let's do front fender. So LC front fender continue from the mirror to the wheel, like this. And then headlight and very characteristic LC headlight like that. And then again, please draw the line with parallel line with this axis for the window glass line, side window. So again, this is an indication that raising up the belt line and then going to connect to the trunk end. This is the rear fender of LC. So again, this line is starting point of the rear combination line. So please make it again draw very unique LC tail lights here. So we have also another point here, which please make it vertical line like here. And then let's try to locker design. And from this point, please raise kicking up line. This is indication of the air intake from LC. So almost there. So finally, let's try to draw the wheel. So you have now divided 4 pieces of the circle and then divide it in 8. like this. So again, to please draw parallel line like this. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. If we can draw very precise wheel, the sketches looks better. So this line, please make very straight, sharp line. And then after that, this small indication. You'll see. And then Lexus logo, center of the wheel. So finally, make it more strong. And this is a ground line. So finally, this is shoulder line. See. So this is so what do you think? This looks cool. Lexus LC. That's it.
In time, your sketches can be amazing, so don't give up. You may even master the sketch without the template I provided. Try it out. We encourage you to share your sketch by using the hashtag LexusCreate. Can't wait to see your sketches. Thanks for watching.